The phrase clean slate is a commonly used idiom that refers to the idea of starting fresh or anew, unburdened by past mistakes, responsibilities, or obligations. It conveys the notion of wiping away previous experiences or actions, and beginning with a clean and empty slate. The origins of the phrase can be traced back to ancient times, when writing surfaces consisted of slates or tablets covered in a layer of wax. When someone wanted to erase what was written or drawn on the slate, they would wipe it clean, leaving a blank slate ready for new information or ideas. In modern usage, clean slate is often used metaphorically to describe various aspects of life, including personal relationships, professional endeavors, or even broader societal or political contexts. It implies the opportunity for a fresh start, unencumbered by past mistakes, failures, or baggage. On an individual level, a clean slate can be seen as an opportunity for personal growth, transformation, and self-improvement. It allows individuals to let go of regrets or setbacks and approach life with renewed optimism and determination. It provides a chance to reset goals, make amends, and chart a new course for the future. In personal relationships, a clean slate can refer to the process of forgiving and moving forward after a conflict or disagreement. It involves setting aside grievances, grudges, or past hurts and starting afresh, building trust, and fostering a healthier connection. In the professional realm, a clean slate may involve starting a new job or career, leaving behind previous experiences, and embracing new challenges and opportunities. It allows individuals to apply lessons learned from past endeavors while leaving behind any negative associations or limitations. On a broader scale, a clean slate can pertain to societal or political contexts. It can describe processes of reconciliation, forgiveness, or rebuilding after conflicts, social unrest, or political transitions. It embodies the idea of learning from history while striving to create a better future. It is important to acknowledge that achieving a true clean slate is often complex and may require time, effort, and personal reflection. While the concept of a clean slate offers hope and potential, it is essential to recognize the impact of past experiences and the need to address any underlying issues that may hinder progress. In summary, the phrase clean slate represents the idea of starting fresh or anew without the burdens of the past. It is an idiom used to describe the opportunity for personal growth, forgiveness, new beginnings, or societal renewal. Whether in personal relationships, professional endeavors, or broader contexts, a clean slate offers the chance to let go of the past and embrace a future unencumbered by previous mistakes or obligations. While achieving a clean slate may be a complex process, it embodies the hope for a fresh start and the potential for positive change.